everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to set up a new connection or network. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up a control panel. For that, click on the search icon that you can see at the taskbar. Now simply type in control panel. You'll be able to find the option for control panel over here. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here, control panel will be opened. You'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for network and internet and click on it. Now you'll be led to the network and internet interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, network and sharing center, internet options. Click on the option network and sharing center. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find the network that you're connected to right now over here. Also, you'll be able to find the options like set up a new connection or network, troubleshoot problems. Simply click on the option set up a new connection or network. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to set up a new connection or network over here. You'll be able to find four options: connect to the internet, set up a new network, manually connect to a wireless network, connect to a workplace. So simply click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on the first option, connect to the internet. Now click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Click on the option set up a new connection anyway. Now you'll be able to find the options how you want to connect. Click on the option of your choice. Now you can see over here, you'll have to type the information from the internet service provider. First of all, enter the username. Now you'll have to enter the password. Simply enter the password your ISP gave you. Make sure to enter the correct password. Also, you'll be able to find the fields for connection name. You can also edit the connection name if you want. If you want other people to use this connection, check on this box, allow other people to use this connection. If you do not have an ISP, simply click on the option I don't have an ISP. Now after you provide all the details, what you have to do is click on the connect option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be connected to this particular internet. So like this, you'll be able to set up a new connection or network. So that is how you set up a new connection or network. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.